Hey you guys, this your girl Body by Carol in my backyard doing a quick workout, 30 minutes workout. First I started with some stretching. I'm on live video, so I'm doing virtual training. So I recorded everything, and so I just wanted to come back and demonstrate what I was doing. So I started out with 6 lunges and a stretch 6 times. Then I went into knee hugs for 6 times, bringing your knee up to your chest and breathing. You can see me talking because I'm demonstrating what I'm doing, talking everyone through. So I'm just taking my time and talking them through the workout. Exercise number 3, stretching number 3, lunge backwards and twist. Chest up, squeeze the ab, just step backwards lightly and twist the body. Feeling your oblique muscles and a nice stress in those glutes and hamstrings, legs. One of my favorite movements, lunge back and twist. Nice and slow, and make sure you breathe. Next exercise, I went into just kicking side to side and breathing, just getting my joints warmed up. And then I went into a squat, body weight squat for 6 times, raising my arms up and pushing my hips back and breathing. I went into yoga pose, right over left knee and then left over right knee, nice and slow, pushing the hips back and breathing. Went into hip lunges, hip thrust lunges, so just pushing my hips back and feeling that stretch on my inner thighs, nice and slow. Went into those hip flexors, so just circling the hips, opening the gate, closing the gate, opening the gate. Well, we didn't close it, but we just opened the gate and lifting those legs in a big circle around, hitting those hip flexors. Next, I went into those side stretches, feeling my oblique muscles, nice and slow, and breathing, leaning the body to the left, leaning the body to the right, and really feeling those stretch. Make sure you squeeze your abdominal muscles and breathe. I went into a big inhale, exhale. This is one of the world's greatest stretch here. Big inhale, exhale. Stretch over. Don't forget to put your head down to your knee. And then I grabbed a chair and went into a lunge, pushing my body back, and then I'll bend my knee, lunge and hold, and then push my body back, straightening out that leg, switching side, lunge forward, chest up, and then push my body back and straighten out that leg. And then I went back into that lunge and then straighten out the leg. Body comes down and breathe. Then I sat in the chair, opened up my legs, took my elbows, opened up my knees, twisting my shoulders down to the floor, onto the ground, and 2 on each side. And I can really feel that stretch on my inner thigh, in my shoulders. Big inhale, exhale, body hands down to the ground, pushing your body through your legs and going into a deeper stretch. Here I grab the chair, put one leg up on the chair, put my hands on my knees and push my hips back. I could definitely feel that stretch. Big inhale, push the hips back, blow it out. Feeling my inner thigh movements. I did this 3 times on each side. And definitely you can feel that stretch with your leg up on top of the chair. And then I turn my body forward, facing the chair. Big inhale, exhale, leaning the body forward, feeling that stretch all in my hamstrings. And I did this 3 times. Really great stretch. Helps with your flexibility. You could definitely feel the difference in forward and side stretching. I switch sides, legs up on the chest, on the chair. Push your hips back, hands on your knees, roll it up, inhale, hands on your knees, push your hips back nice and slow, and breathe. Inhale, exhale, hands up on the knees, push your hips back. Turn your body forward, big inhale, lean over, try to get your head to your knees. Big inhale, exhale, blow it out, and try to get your hands to your head to your knees. And then last one, nice and hold, beautiful stretch. Then I went behind the chair. I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do, but lunge behind the chair and kick your butt. So hold for 3 seconds, kick your butt, switch legs. And then I went into the routine, which was a jump squat of 3 times, explosive moves, 3 jumping jacks or 2 jumping jacks, and then I think I ran a do-si-do around the chair 2 times. Then I started over. So we did this for 3 sets. Jump squat 3, explosive moves, pushing through those quads, jumping jack 2 times to elevate my heart rate, and I do-si-do around the chair 2 times. I think we did a round of 3 sets. Okay, you guys, here I went into 4 jump lunges. Then I stepped backwards down into a rear reverse lunge for 4 and 2 vertical jumps. Repeat. I was trying to catch my breath. Jump lunge 4. Reverse lunge 4, 2 vertical jumps. Jump as high as you can as explosive moves. And 1 more set, feet together, jump lunge 4, feet together, reverse lunges, step back with the left, step back with the right. We got 4 reps and 2 vertical jumps. Then I went into some strength training. I grabbed my dumbbells, tricep kickbacks for 10 reps, stiff leg deadlifts, soft knees, pushing my hip back for 6. Then I went into overhead presses, opening up my elbows, squeezing my abs, and just press straight up and down. Went into toe touches for 6. So that was the whole routine. Then I went into round 2, tricep kickbacks for 10. Make sure you lift those elbows up. Move the forearms front and back with a slight bend in the body. Stiff leg deadlifts. Soft on those knees, pushing those hips back. And breathe. Then I went to overhead presses, squeezing my abs. nice and slow. Then went into those jump lunges for 6. Side laterals for 6. Then I went into back rows, a little bent over, bringing those dumbbells right on the side of the chest and squeezing that upper back. Breathe, and then went into those upright rows. One of my favorite exercises to do. Then went into my cardio, my jumping jacks for 10. Round 2, side laterals. Back rows. And upright rows. So repeat this 3 times around, and 10 jumping jacks. That's my cardio. Next routine, I went into more of an inner thigh workout, adductors, just squatting 10 times. I could definitely feel my inner thighs working. Hip thrusts for 10, squeezing my abs and just rocking my hips, thrusting my hips front and back. Try not to squat. This is mainly hip thrusters. And then went into one arm rolls for my back. So bringing my dumbbell right on the side of my chest. Give me a nice squeeze in the back. Round 2, nice and slow, inner thigh work, squeezing your abs, and breathe. Hip thrusts. Now I went into the back rows. Switch sides. Next exercise, I went into 5 burpees with a jump. Use your chair 5 times, 5 burpees with a jump. You can go at your own pace. I went behind the chair, side kicks, then I turn and kick back for 6. Then I did side with the other leg and then kick back for 6. And then I lunged back 4 times, holding on to the chair. Round 2, 5 burpees with a jump. Take your time, enjoy your workout. Jump out, jump in, jump up. Go behind the chair, grab the chair, and we're going to do side kicks for 6. Well, I did 5 this time, and kick back 6. Turn, kick out to the side, and kick back. Definitely working on those glutes. Last exercise, scoot for 3, touch the ground, scoot for 3. You do that 3 times and then give me 2 jumping jacks. 1, 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, and then jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, 3 jumping jacks. Then I went into those single leg deadlifts. Switch sides. Nice and slow, working on your balance. We're going to start over. 1, 2, 3, touch your toe. 1, 2, 3, touch your toe. 1, 2, 3, touch your toe. 2 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, touch your toe. 1, 2, 3, touch your toe. 1, 2, 3, touch your toe. 2 jumping jacks. One more. 1, 2, 3, touch your toe. 1, 2, 3, touch your toe. 1, 2, 3, touch your toe. 2 jumping jacks. Then went back into those single leg deadlifts, just tapping my toe, kicking my legs back, working on my balance. I can definitely feel my hamstrings on the leg that I'm standing on. It's another one of my favorite exercises. Here we're going into the stretching. This is the cool down. So I've been big inhale, exhale, body goes forward, and then I circled my hand 3 times. Forward, and then a big inhale, exhale, body goes down, roll up, and then circle back 3 times. And repeat. Next we have is the scoop, and just bring your arms around, big circle, dig your heels into the ground, push your hips back. You can feel that stretch in your hamstring, and circle around through your shoulders 6 times. Lunging from side to side, pushing your hips out. Nice and slow. Yoga pose, right leg over the left knee and vice versa. So you can start on any leg you want. Try to work on your balance. Balance comes from strong glute muscles. So this is a way to really work on those glutes as well. So hold it 3 seconds. Kick 6 times. So try to touch your toe as you kick. Grab your ankles, stand tall. Grab your ankles, stand tall, and bring your heels to your belly. Try to bring your heels to your belly button and flatten out your knee. Open up your knee. 6 times. Cross hands over. Hand comes under. Nice stretch for the shoulders. Big inhale, exhale. Nice stretch for the tricep muscles. Bring hands above your head. Push your elbows down. Nice and slow. And reverse. Take your elbows, close it in and out. Fingers touch your ears, and just open and close as your elbows come in and out. Stretch side and hold, then the other side and hold, where you can feel your oblique muscles and feel that stretch. Nice and slow. And big circle. Circle around and breathe. Nice and slow. Drop that body down, and then we're going to reverse it. And breathe. Nice and slow. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.